What's happening? We are back at the racetrack and I am feeling good. We're at Bloomington, Indiana with the USAC midgets. We got the 7X, but today it's not the 7X. The calm before the storm. We're getting it all ready to go. Engine heat. And we drew a 35 for our qualifying, so that'll be good.
On a show that was set to be run during Indiana Midget Week, unfortunately Mother Nature intervening, and while Midget Week has concluded, the show rescheduled, and we are back to the red clay of Bloomington Speedway. 25 drivers checking in for competition tonight with the USAC NOS Energy Drink Midget National Championship. In that EA Stealth number 7. Drivers begin to wind up here. We go to green at Dirt Draft Hot Lap session number 2.
Hey, tell your crew guy to drop this.
Thomas Meserol next on to the Speedway in San Jose, California. German England Machine and Tool, TmezTv, EA Stealth Spike Chassis, Sherbolt Suspension, High Performance Lubricants, teaming their own at number 7S. Comes around with a 12.287 on his opening lap. 7 quick for the driver, and 7 is last USAC National Feature Starter in the BC39. A third and a 24th place finish for the driver. The number 7 comes around. Lap number 2 will be a 12.445. He'll stand on his opening lap at 12.287. That was Thomas Meserol, currently 7 quick.
Well, they're still qualifying. You can hear them out there. Right now we're 8th, halfway through, so we're not sitting very bad. It was tough because we were in such a rush. We didn't have any water temp, and we feel like maybe our water heater has circulated some air into the system. It's not losing water, but my temperature's staying at 140, so they put a new gauge in it. It didn't change it. Our car was really good. We were a little free in practice. I don't think my camera worked. It kept shutting off when I was in the car, but man, qualified, Donnie, he snugged her up, and the thing was really good. I just wasn't sure if I should have ran the bottom or the top. It looked like everybody was running the top, and so I just ran big laps, but hey, we're at the racetrack. I'm out here living my best life. Back at the racetrack. My head feels good. Man, it is crazy how a concussion can really just change your outlook on life and how you're thinking, your perspectives. Man, I just was struggling for the last 6 weeks, but I really feel good. And I can't thank my guys, Tim, Donnie, and Chuck for bringing the 7S out to Bloomington to get some laps back in this EA Stealth. So I'm sitting up here watching the heat races. Sprint cars are just getting ready to be done. And the track looks really good. Like, the bottom at 1 and 2 is still there, and the top is really nice. Like, this is the best I've seen Bloomington in a while. And the sun is finally setting, so it's gonna stop slicking off, maybe. Midgets are about to go out. I'm in the 3rd heat race. Got the cameras on the car. Hey, thanks so much for clicking on the channel and joining the show. Race time. I start on the outside front row. got done with the heat race, and I really needed to win that in order to start myself up better towards the front. We ended up being 15th quick. That's going to start us way deeper than I wanted to, but that's part of it sometimes. And I felt like I just kind of blew the tires off on the start of that heat race, and then Gavin Miller, give him 2 feet of room and he'll shove a 5-foot car in there, and I just I didn't want to jump a wheel. So that's the driver excuse of the day. But we made a gear change. We're working on changing a wheel, right rear wheel. Felt like the car was a little bit tight, and then I was having to like hustle. I was having to muscle it to free it up. But man, this place, where it is slick, it is very slick, and where it is hooked up, I mean, it is that red clay that is so sticky.
Hey, I got a tire cut down. I had to go to that one. I haven't had time.
That didn't go as planned. Guy spun out in front of me and I hit him, knocked the front end out of it. We changed the gear for the feature. Oh my goodness, this thing was so good, but we cut a tire and we ended up starting in the back. Felt like we were pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching TmezTv. I gotta help the boys.